because they'll say, okay, well, great. AWS means that you're probably not dumb. You probably know what you're doing. But what I really need is somebody who knows Linux. And, maybe that's why they don't call you back, right? So balance it out, okay? It's not always about cloud, all right? Mamoons asks, do you recommend getting MS in data science before having any work experience? Maybe. I always hesitate to give masters advice because I think that's a very personal choice. Some people want to work, some people need to work. So it depends. I personally had a very long gap in between my bachelor's and master's studies. But that's just me. That's just the choice I made because I graduated during a very good job market. I was always making pretty good money basically right as soon as I graduated. So that was my choice. But I could see it both ways. Sometimes it does help to have work experience. Other times it doesn't.